park right now! Put the car in park! Put the car in park right now! Put the car... Let me see your fucking hands! Let me see your fucking hands! Let me see your fucking hands! I'll talk to you, man.
He may be pulling over now. He's trying to
Falling back out.
Or is he stopping in the lane?
10-4.
He's stopping in the lane.
Put the car in park right now! Put the car in park! Put the car in park right now! Put the car in park!
Forcing, pull off again. Correction, 282.
Thanks for the large bag out over the bridge.
281 westbound, Force City, 120. 281. So we're taking the exit, 281 exit. 281 exit. We're wrecked out.
Let me see your fucking hands! Let me see your fucking hands! Let me see your fucking hands! Right now! Let me see your fucking hands right now! I will fucking kill you! Let me see your fucking hands! Get out of the car! Come to me! You better get out of the car! Don't face away from me now! Face away from me now! Get on the ground! You're going to get tased! Get on the ground now! Hey, we got two people! Hey, all the way down! All the way down! All the way down! All the way down! On your fucking stomach now! On your stomach now! Or I will tase you! Let me see your hands! On the ground now! On the ground now! On the ground! What did I just say? What did I just say? On the ground! I don't care! I'm about to tase you! I'm about to tase you! You may tase you! You may tase you! Get on the ground now! Shut up! Get up! On the freaking ground! Lay down now! Lay down! Lay down now! Right hand back! Right hand on your back! Don't you freaking move! Let me see your freaking hands now! Let me see your hands now! Both hands! I don't care! Let me put one hand back here. Right now. One hand. And this all the way back. All the way back here right now. All the way back. Don't you freaking move. You understand me? Stupid.
Yeah.
Got him. Shut up. Let me see over here right now. Who'd you throw out? Who'd you throw out?
I'll be on this.
You're so stupid. Is somebody back here? Take it gunners. We'll have to review you. He said it was a beer, but...
Yes, sir. I'll be on with it.
He said it was a beer.
It was a beer, sir.
Why did you show one without the other? Why did you show one without the other?